Hi guys, this is Shivam and today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone stuck in a boot loop. The iPhone boot loop, this can happen due to many reasons like bad jailbreak tweaks can cause this problem, or updates with an unstable connection, especially through iTunes where the update gets stuck halfway. Even after iCloud bypass, the tethered method where you restart device and your device get locked and sometimes it goes into the boot loop mode. So these are the problem that cause iPhone into the boot loop mode. This means that every time you attempt to open your device, it may reach the primary home screen but then immediately reboot itself all over again on a continuous loop. So thankfully these can be resolvable. The method I'm sharing you guys, this works with almost all the devices. How to fix an iPhone boot loop? So first method is force restart iPhone. Now how you force restart iPhone? So as you can see, you have the instruction of all the devices, whatever device you are using, like iPhone SE, 6s earlier, and iPhone 7, 7 Plus, and iPhone 8, XS, XS, 11 or later. So as you can see, the instruction is there to hard reset your device. To restart forcefully, you have to use this method. So as you can see guys, I have iPhone SE which has a boot loop issue, and I'm going to force restart by pressing power button and home button at the same time, and as you can see, it again I got into the boot loop. So this issue is not resolvable on force restart, but if you have a device which has a boot loop issue, and that might be because of the tweaks, because of the jailbroken state, so it can be resolved with a force restart. With a hard reset you can solve this problem. If it is not solving by hard reset like this, by pressing whatever, in my case it is not solving this issue. So the next method I'm showing is that restore device with the iTunes. So to do that, connect your lightning cable to the device, and then you need to put your device into the recovery mode. So first thing first, head over to this website and you can install iTunes latest version by clicking on the website link. Now once you install iTunes, then head over to the ipsw.me. As you can see the link over there, you can click on it and then it will take you to the ipsw.me official website. Now you can choose iPhones, and now you can choose here which device you are using. So in my case I'm using iPhone SE, so I'm going to choose iPhone SE. So as you can see, right now the current version is iOS 14 and iOS 13.7. 13.6.1 is no longer signed. Here you can choose iOS 14 or iOS 13.7, so I'm using iOS 13.7. so click on it to download that ips.w and make sure to download it. Make sure to use signed version. Red means unsigned version can't be upgradable, so you can't upgrade to the unsigned version. Okay, so now you can read the instruction whatever device you are using to put your device into the recovery mode. For iPhone SE, press top button and home button at the same time to enter into the DFU mode. Now open iTunes, whether you are on Mac or Windows, click on restore iPhone. If you are using Mac, then click on option, then click on restore iPhone. If you are on Windows, then click on shift and then click on restore iPhone. So once you done that, you will get this file to select. Choose the IPSW file which we have downloaded earlier. Now continue to proceed restoration of iOS. Now once you done that, as you can see, now the restoration has been started and it will take some time. So I'm going to speed up this process, and once it is done I'll get back to you. So as you can see guys, the process has been started on the device. So as you can see, the process has been done, restoration, and now we are done with the computer. Restoration has been completed. Now the file is installing on the mobile. So as you can see, we got hello logo. That means we are completely out of boot loop and we have recovered our device. So this is how you can solve the boot loop issue. Hope you guys understand. I'll leave a link in the description, all the links, so check out in the description below. Guys, if you have any queries regarding this, leave your comments. I'll try to answer it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.